Have you ever wondered how to create a budget that works for you? Budgeting, while it may sound daunting, is nothing more than a plan for your money. It's a financial roadmap, guiding you towards your financial goals by helping you understand where your money comes from and where it goes. This journey of budgeting is not just about numbers. It's about gaining control over your hard-earned money and making it work for you. It's about distinguishing between your wants and needs and making informed decisions. It's about setting aside money for future goals, whether that's a vacation, a new home, or a comfortable retirement. But most importantly, budgeting is about having the freedom to enjoy the finer things in life without the stress of financial uncertainty. It's about maintaining your lifestyle while also building a safety net for the unexpected. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk you through the steps to creating a budget. We'll help you understand your income and expenses, set financial goals, and track your progress. So, buckle up and get ready for a journey to financial freedom. Stay with us as we help you create a budget that truly works for you. The first step in this journey is understanding your income and expenses. Now, when we talk about income, we're referring to the money that you earn regularly. This could be your monthly salary from your job, or perhaps the payments you receive from a rental property. It's crucial to have a clear picture of how much money is coming in, so you can plan how you'll allocate it. Now let's talk about expenses. These are the costs you incur in your daily life. They can be as mundane as your morning coffee or as significant as your mortgage payment. Not all expenses are created equal though. We can divide them into two main categories: discretionary and non-discretionary expenses. Non-discretionary expenses are those that are essential for living. Think about your rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, healthcare, and transportation. These are costs that you simply can't avoid. On the other hand, discretionary expenses are optional. These are the costs that enhance your lifestyle but aren't strictly necessary. Dining out, going to the movies, buying that new gadget you've been eyeing, these are all examples of discretionary expenses. Why is distinguishing between these two types of expenses important? Well, it allows you to identify areas where you can potentially cut back. If you're spending a significant portion of your income on discretionary expenses, you might want to reconsider your spending habits. Keep in mind, though, that it's not about depriving yourself of things you enjoy. It's about finding a balance between living the lifestyle you want and ensuring your financial stability. Once you have a detailed understanding of your income and expenses, you can begin to set financial goals. Now that you understand your financial situation, it's time to set some goals. It's like embarking on a journey. You wouldn't start a road trip without knowing your destination, would you? The same principle applies to your financial journey. Setting financial goals, both short-term and long-term, is crucial in guiding your budgeting decisions. These goals act as your financial compass, leading you towards financial security and independence. So what's a short-term financial goal? Think of something you'd want to achieve within the next year. It could be saving up for that vacation you've been dreaming of, paying off a credit card, or even setting aside money for holiday gifts. These short-term goals are stepping stones towards your long-term financial vision. Speaking of long-term goals, these are milestones you aim to reach in more than a year. They could be saving for a down payment on a house, your children's college education, or a comfortable retirement. Long-term goals require more time and patience, but they are equally, if not more, rewarding. These goals influence your budgeting decisions, helping you live within your means while still enjoying life. For instance, if your short-term goal is to pay off a credit card, you might choose to cut back on dining out. Or, if your long-term goal is a comfortable retirement, you might start investing a portion of your income. The key to setting financial goals is making them smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This means your goals should be well-defined, quantifiable, realistic, aligned with your financial situation, and have a clear timeline. Remember, financial goals are personal. They depend on your income, expenses, lifestyle, and aspirations. What matters is they lead you towards financial well-being and allow you to enjoy the journey along the way. With your financial goals set, you are ready to create a budget that supports those goals. Keep in mind, the journey to financial independence is not a sprint, but a marathon. It takes discipline, consistency, and patience. But with your goals guiding you, you're well on your way. Armed with knowledge and goals, you are now ready to create a budget. It's not as daunting as it sounds, I promise. A budget is essentially a roadmap that guides your financial journey. Start by listing all your sources of income, your paycheck, any side hustles, and other streams of income. Then, list out your expenses. These can be divided into two categories: non-discretionary expenses, or the must-haves like rent and groceries, and discretionary expenses, or the nice-to-haves like dining out or a gym membership. Next, allocate your income to your expenses, making sure to cover your non-discretionary expenses first. Whatever is left over can be split between your discretionary expenses and savings. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself of the finer things in life, but about making thoughtful decisions that align with your financial goals. Now, this is crucial. A budget isn't set in stone. It's a living, breathing document that should be reviewed and adjusted regularly. Did you get a raise? Great. Update your budget. Did your rent go up? Time to make some adjustments. And then comes the tracking part. There are plenty of apps and tools out there that can help you keep track of your spending and saving. Use them to your advantage. They can provide valuable insights into your spending habits and help you identify areas where you can cut back or spend more. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, don't forget to track your progress towards your financial goals. Are you saving enough for that dream vacation? Are you on track to pay off your student loans? Regularly checking in on your goals can provide that much-needed motivation to stick to your budget. And with that, you are well on your way to financial stability and success. So, we've taken a journey from understanding your income and expenses to setting financial goals, creating a budget, and tracking progress. It's been quite a ride, hasn't it? We've learned that understanding your monthly income and expenses is the first critical step to financial stability. We've discovered the importance of setting financial goals, both short and long-term, and how they guide our spending and saving habits. We then ventured into the realm of budget creation, emphasizing the need to differentiate between non-discretionary and discretionary expenses. This step allows us to make smart decisions about where our money goes, ensuring we have enough for the things we need, while also allowing for some of the things we want. We've also underscored the importance of tracking progress, of keeping an eye on your spending to ensure you're sticking to your budget. This not only helps to keep you accountable, but also provides a clear picture of where adjustments may be needed. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It's about making informed decisions that enable you to live a life that aligns with your financial goals. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and here's to your financial success.